Now we're going to get to one of my favorite characters of all time, Felix the Cat. In 1919, Otto Messmer of the Pat Sullivan Studios created Felix the Cat. Pat Sullivan, the studio head, took all the credit for Felix, a common practice in the early days of studio animation, actually still practiced today. Felix was distributed by Paramount Studios and attracted a large audience, eventually becoming one of the most recognized cartoon characters in film history. Felix was the first cartoon to be merchandised too. This is before Mickey, before anything else. It was Felix. And last year, it celebrated its 100th anniversary. 100 years. I think it's probably one of the most long-lived animated characters ever. Again, before Mickey Mouse. You should watch this. Here's a really cool history of Felix. Again, all these animations are kind of long, I know, but just get through whatever you can. If you're into animation, I think you'll really get a kick out of a lot of these because they give you a lot more history and with obviously moving images. So it's a lot more fun to watch than me.